Hey Math Wizards, Miss Kanji here, back with another math video. And today's math video is all about writing improper fractions as mixed numbers. So we're going to review what those math words mean, improper fractions and mixed numbers, before we begin. So here we have our math vocabulary, and there's three words that we need to go over. The first one being a proper fraction, which is what we're used to. When our numerator is smaller than our denominator and the fraction is between 0 and 1. On a number line, it's between 0 and 1. An improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator and these fractions are greater than 1. And the last math vocabulary is a mixed fraction, and as you can see, it's written as a whole number as well as a fraction together. So again, we have a proper fraction is what we're used to. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. The improper fraction is when your denominator is bigger, your numerator is bigger than your denominator, and those fractions are greater than 1. And again, a mixed number is you can see the whole number as well as the fraction, and these fractions are also greater than 1. So what we're going to be doing today is taking these improper fractions and writing them as mixed fractions, mixed numbers. So let's dive right into our first example. So if you're asked to write 9 halves as a mixed number, you see now this is as an improper fraction, and we want to write it as a mixed number. That's where there's a whole number as well as a fraction. So what we can do to figure out what the whole number and the fraction would be is to draw out our models again. So drawing out a model really helps. So we need 9 copies of 1/2. So here are 2 copies. Here are 4 copies, 6 copies, 8 copies, and I need 9. Oops, not my neatest. So I can see here that each block is a whole. So I have one whole, another whole, another whole, another whole, and here I have a half. So if I add up all of this, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 4 wholes, and then I have 1/2. So this 9 halves is the same as 4 wholes and a half. So this would be, these are equivalent. So it says write the 9 halves as a mixed number. This would be our mixed number for 9 halves. Let's try another one. Write 12/5 as a mixed number. So again, this is the improper fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So this is the improper fraction. And the way to figure out the mixed number, so we can see the wholes and the parts, is to draw it out. So to draw fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and I'm shading 5 of those in because I need to get 12 copies. I'm going to make another one with fifths. 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. 5 plus 5, I'm already at 10. So I'm going to make a third one. 1/5, whoops, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and here's 10, 11, 12. So again, I see one hole here, another hole here, and here I see 2/5 shaded. So when I add these up all together, I see 2 holes and then 2/5. So 12/5 as a mixed number is 2 and 2/5. Let's try one final example. Here we have write 10/4 as a mixed number. So you guessed it, let's draw a model with fourths, and we need 10 shaded in because it's 10 copies. So here's 4 copies. Another hole we know is going to be 8 copies. Let's make a third hole, but we're not going to use the whole all of this. We're only going to need, so here's 8, 9, 10. So one hole, and here's 2 fourths. So adding these up, I have 2 holes and 2 fourths. So 10 fourths is the same as 2 and 2 fourths. So I hope this video is helpful. Watch as many times as you need, and thanks for watching.